This is Pecanut, and that is Wishful Eye. And they arrived today. This was my granny's sewing machine. It's a Bernina Sport 802. And I'm now going to fix some of the blankets for the horses for tonight. Where the buckle came in, it broke. I'm going to live on the edge and sew this leather belt onto it. Let's see if it works. Okay, hold your breath. Oh no, it doesn't want to do that. But it does it when I do this. Okay, that didn't work. I've just bent the needle and now it's stuck. We've got some jeans needles and there is 100. So I'll take that one out and try that. Okay, sometimes your machine will not work through the fixed stuff, but you still have to sew. So with the older machines, you can do this because their mechanism in here is really strong and you just turn it with your hand. Cool! It's working! It does need one here and there. So my sister took the dog collar and we are just going to sew them on now. That will do the job here. Okay, it's done. So it worked. She kept it on all night and nothing came loose. Good morning, Wish. How are you? Did you enjoy your blanket last night?